is about my ripple stone. Actually a gemstone which simulates the ripples of water on top of the surface. I have a cool friend of mine which is a goldsmith, Greek in origins. I was at his place the other day and we were talking about one of my latest stones. It was a tourmaline with all the engravings on top. And we were just brainstorming at the end about the next one to make. So we came out with an idea, and the idea was to create the ripples, the effect of the ripples of the water when it happens when you throw a rock into a pond. So this tutorial is about actually making that kind of effect on any stone, which can be a quartz, can be a topaz. In this case it's a blue topaz, but you can do it in any other materials as you wish. You just have to apply the same, the same method. Yeah, of course, wooden stick to any other material you have. So let's first see what we need. Then we'll need to do this procedure to cut the stone in this manner. And the list of stuff is here. So first of all, of course, you need a stone. So another thing you'll need is a permanent marker and a lot of patience. That's what you need as an ultimate tool. A lot of patience. Alright, let's start. So stick around, you're gonna see how. You see, the center is not bad for the project. Also because the stone shape itself is kind of odd. So the center is fine, but I'm not happy with the design. So I will have to wipe it out with a bit of acetone and make a proper one. I'll show you what I mean, what I wanted to do. The standard one you buy for the kitchen purposes, that's a good one. Some little microchips, not the ones on the computers of course, the very tiny chips on the surface of the stone. Actually the stone was faceted, but we throw a rock into the center and then we had the ripples. That's the concept. So here it is, you can see also the bottom, the way it's been done. And see you next time. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Alright, bye bye.